Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video we have seen what are the different types of precipitation datasets available and what are its resolutions and other details. So if you have not yet seen the previous video, you can check it out in the I bar which will be popping up and get a brief view of what these types of datasets are. In the current video, I'll be explaining you how we can download these datasets for a particular location to analyze them and understand what are the differences. So firstly, we will see how we can download the Persian datasets. All the links of the websites which I'll be using for downloading the datasets will be available in the description and you can have a look at them. So firstly, you will see how to download Persian dataset. When coming to the Persian dataset, the portal which we'll use is CHRS data portal and the first link itself. So this is the data portal for downloading the Persian datasets. There are different variation of Persian datasets like general Persian, Persian CSS, where cloud classification system works, Persian CDR, where near global dataset is obtained, Persian now, and Persian CCS CDR. So in this video, I'll be just talking about the simple Persian dataset which we can use for downloading the data. As you can see, the data ranges from March 2000 to present dataset, and its resolution is 0.25 by 0.25 with different variations of time steps. If you want to have a better understanding, you can have a look at these references which they have provided. Okay, let's see how to download the data. So as we have told, we have 4 different types of data. We'll be dealing only with Persian for now, and we'll be wanting to have daily data set. I don't want to have the whole domain data set, so you can click here and you have a lot of options where you can either draw a rectangle or choose a country for which you want the data, or a division, continent, what is the major rivers, tributaries, etc. etc. So for now, I'll be typing out a location. Either you can use the lat long if you know the lat long of the location to get the data set, or you can just click somewhere and see the data for that. So when you click somewhere, this is how the plus mark appears and it shows you the location which you have selected with lat longs. And then the starting date, if you see, it starts from March to the present date until today you can get it. If I'm not wrong, it's until 15th. Okay, and it is downloaded in CSV format. And when you click download, so here you have to give your email address. I'll be putting my email address. Okay, now we just have to wait for the data to be sent to our email address. So this is how you can download data for a particular point, or either you can use the shape files to upload the shape file of the area and then do it, or check the data set. You can take the basins. If you see here, it shows all the basins of the world. So just go to that basin. See, I have selected a basin, so you can get the same data sets in netcdf file format because it gives for the whole watershed. We'll do the same thing. Or yeah, we can either check the rivers. It also shows the various rivers, what are the various countries, rectangular areas where you can draw a rectangle and get the data in that rectangle, and you can check your mail to get the data and then use the data for further analysis. So this is how you can download data from CHRS portal.